Look at guys, oh my god, look at that. What do you see? Oh my god, look at that. How strong the head of the man, oh my god. Look at foot on the head, oh my god. Don't he feel headache after that? I don't understand. Now look at that. How many times, how many sacks of semen? Look at that. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god. I don't know how many. 2, 4, 6, 9, 10, 20 maybe? Semen gets sick. Look at that. Oh, I don't understand. Oh my god, how strong the head is. How hard the life, yeah? Find the money with the hard work like that. No safety. Look at that. Oh my god. It's very heavy, Incredible. Oh my god. Oh. you know how long you got left? Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh. How hard the life is. Very, very heavy this man, you know that? The crew built the house, third floor. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm afraid to see, Mm. 4 times more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. How strong the leg, how strong the head of the man, Oh my god. Oh my god. 3 more. Look at guys. Who can do like this? Oh my god. Put on the head. Oh my god. Wow. 2 more. I don't know how much money you can get. Oh my god, how about the head? Oh my god. 1 more, Oh, very scared. I'm fear to see. Oh my god. This is finished. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. How strong the man. I don't understand. Oh my god. 'They work manual, you know that. Without modern technology. Oh my god. That's all. $2 work, guys. Look at this. You must empty. Make it empty. Make it empty. One truck. How long they'll have finished to do like manual like that, you know that? Oh my god. How hard the job is. How hard the job is. How hard the job is. But it's so funny, they are happy, guys. I don't understand. Even though they work hard, but they are still loving. I don't know how much. I don't know how much rupees they can get in one day. Look at that. I think that's wasting time, yeah? If they do the work like that, manual. Oh my god. It's too traditional. So funny. Already finished, guys.